This is the Telesin Power Stick pole grip for the GoPro. This thing is so cool because it's a battery, a selfie stick, a grip for your GoPro all in one. The best thing about this is that it charges your GoPro, so whilst you're out and about, you're never going to run out of battery. And the highlight, so obviously it's charging your GoPro while it's connected like this, but it also still charges when it's out extended like this, so the cable goes all the way through, which I think is so cool because a lot of selfie sticks or like portable chargers like this, they won't charge when your GoPro or camera is up at full length like that. This thing is so cool, has a little cord which is where you plug it in here, and all you have to do to take your GoPro off is just unscrew these, and this twists around as well so you can have all the different angles that you need to, like so. Nice and pretty. It feels really good. It's very well made. Telesin make great products. Highly recommend it. Go and get yourself one.